Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to enable call forwarding on the Vivo Y200. Now to do that, just open the dialer app on your smartphone. From here, just tap on the three dots at the upper right corner on the display and tap on settings. From here, just scroll down and tap on calling accounts. Now from here, just select your SIM card. Now from here, just tap on call forwarding. Now from here, just wait for a few seconds. Now from here, as you can see, you have a few options for call forwarding. You can enable call forwarding always, or you can enable call forwarding when you're busy, or you can set it when unanswered or when unreachable. I will select when busy. Now from here, just enter the number you want to forward your call to when you're busy. Now from here, just tap on turn on. Now just wait for a few seconds to enable call forwarding when you're busy. Now as you can see, we have successfully enabled call forwarding when we're busy. Now once you do that, it will forward all the calls to this number when you're busy. And this is how you can enable call forwarding on the Vivo Y200. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.